Hello, gardening friends. This is RB's Gardening Journal. And I wanted to come to you guys today and just share with you what's going on in our St. Louis Master Gardener chapter. I became a Master Gardener back in 2017. Graduated from a large class of Master Gardeners, and it was rigorous. It was very informative. I never thought I would be learning Latin, the different names and all the things that we had to do, and every week there was a test. But you know what? It was great. It was wonderful. It was something that I would do again. It was wonderful, and I always would like to stress to others to do it as well. I did it primarily because I wanted to meet other like-minded gardeners in my area. I had already started my business, Rbthegardennanny LLC. I had already started that, but I wanted to add to my learning. I wanted to add to what I was doing by helping others with their gardens, and that was the purpose of my business in the first place. But the more you know, the more you know what I mean? So I wanted to know more. I wanted to give more. And when you become a Master Gardener, you are volunteering your time all over the area you live in. And those hours are mandatory for you to continue in your process as a Master Gardener. So every Master Gardener who wants to stay current needs to have so many hours that they volunteer throughout the year. Well, we just received information from our St. Louis Master Gardeners Advisory Committee that our chapter that existed for over 40 years is now being dissolved. All of our annual meetings, our holiday parties, our garden tours, our continuing education training classes, and other events that we did in the past is just going to be over. And it's very disheartening to us. Well, let's just say this. I don't want to go into why. It's a bunch of political junk, if you ask me. And now they're just going to dissolve it. So it's bittersweet. One thing for sure, I will always be a Master Gardener. I went through the classes. I went through and received my certificate. And I volunteered so many hours. And no one can take that from me. I will always be a Master Gardener. I particularly want to say thank you to Holly Records, who was our coordinator. She did all the classes. She was really the face of our Master Gardener chapter. And I really want to thank her for her contribution that she so willingly gave of herself and time to the St. Louis Master Gardeners. So just wanted to say, if you are a Master Gardener, things happen. We would have never thought that it would have been dissolved. We don't know in the future what's going to happen. And this could happen to you in your state where you're a Master Gardener. Things happen, political junk. And so take advantage of the opportunity that you have right now being a master gardener, relishing in your time with others that are like-minded. I have formed great friendships, and they will continue regardless of this. We will continue to be friends. We will continue to volunteer our time with others. I will definitely continue to volunteer my time in my neighborhood, areas where I see a need. I will do that because I am a master gardener and I love helping others with their gardens, even before I became a master gardener. I just wanted to put this video out there for others who are master gardeners, others that are inquiring about becoming a master gardener. Do it. It is so worth it. It is a wonderful way of helping, giving back. It's a wonderful way of meeting like-minded people. It's a wonderful way of getting vitamin D and enjoying the good outdoors. It's a wonderful thing. If there are updates in the future of what's going to happen with our chapter here in St. Louis, I will definitely keep you informed. If there are any master gardeners who are listening to this and you live in the St. Louis area, I would love to get your feedback in the comments. And regardless, let's enjoy helping others with our time, our talent. And this would be a good plug and a good time for you to subscribe to RB's Gardening Journal. It just is a journal of all the things that I love about gardening. I started the channel because I didn't want to have a written journal. I wanted a YouTube channel that just showed everything in living color. I wanted to be able to look back over the years at how my garden has grown, how some of my clients' gardens have evolved. And I wanted to see that in living color. I didn't want to just write it down on a notebook and then, I wasn't good at that anyway. But this YouTube channel, I love it. And not only that, it was another means of meeting like-minded people on YouTube. I have a whole host of gardening friends all over the states, and some even in different parts of the world. So it's a win-win. You can't go wrong meeting other gardeners. They are a joy to be a part of. It's a wonderful thing. So thanks for listening. Thanks for tuning in today, and I will see you in the next video.